You've mastered the strategies. Now it's time to put them into motion. In this final capstone video, we'll map out your 12-month ASO blueprint, a quarter-by-quarter game plan to help you implement, scale, and win consistently. Whether you're an indie developer, a startup, or an enterprise growth lead, this plan is your launchpad. Quarter 1. Foundation and fast feedback. Goal: launch fast, learn fast. Lock in your metadata. Research your top 20 keywords, create a title and subtitle combo, and write a benefit-led description. Design scroll-stopping screenshots and an engaging preview video. Launch with a soft rollout or in a test region to measure install conversion and early retention. Run at least 3 creative A/B tests: icon, screenshots, subtitle. Collect your first 50 to 100 reviews via ethical prompts. Set up dashboards for weekly tracking. Mindset: don't chase perfection, chase feedback. Quarter 2. Optimize and expand. Goal: refine what works and explore new territory. Update your listing based on A/B test results. Expand your keyword coverage by 30 to 50% with long-tail and localized keywords. Launch custom product pages on iOS tailored to user segments. Test paid UA campaigns that drive quality users to specific CPPs. Start localizing metadata for top non-English speaking markets. Track retention by keyword and create a variant. Mindset: double down on winners. Kill what's dragging performance. Quarter 3. Deepen engagement and improve retention. Goal: improve app quality signals and grow your user base. Build a rating and review management system with in-app prompts and response workflows. Launch in-app events and app updates with ASO-friendly release notes. Run experiments with onboarding, feature exposure, and sticky moments. Analyze uninstall and day 7 retention by acquisition source. Collaborate with product to turn review feedback into roadmap inputs. Mindset: retention is the new growth. Optimize for long-term love, not short-term clicks. Quarter 4. Scale with confidence. Goal: multiply what's working at global scale. Launch in new top-performing geographies with fully localized listings. Optimize search ads based on organic keyword winners. Revisit top creative tests and rerun with learnings from global markets. Launch seasonal custom product pages tied to holidays or campaigns. Run a full-year ASO performance audit and update your keyword map. Document all wins, learnings, and losses to build your next year playbook. Mindset: you've built a system. Now it's time to scale it with confidence. Final thought: this isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter every quarter. Your ASO strategy now lives inside a repeatable blueprint, with testing, tracking, learning, and scaling baked in. So whether you're just launching or optimizing your 10th app, remember, momentum comes from motion. Let's turn strategy into systems, systems into habits, and habits into sustainable growth.